The EUYBIKE Foldable Electric Bike offers an impressive 750-watt motor that peaks at 1,000 watts, allowing riders to easily reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour and tackle various terrains, including beaches and mountains. With a high-capacity 48-volt 20-ampere-hour removable lithium battery, this e-bike provides a remarkable range of up to 80 miles in pedal assist mode, making it a reliable companion for long journeys. The bike's superior front suspension and dual-disc braking system ensure a smooth and safe ride, while the adjustable seat and handlebar heights cater to riders of different sizes. Equipped with 20-inch by 3-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, the EUYBIKE can handle diverse environments, and its foldable design makes it convenient for storage and transport. The bike comes largely pre-assembled and is backed by a 12-month service for the motor, battery, and controller, offering peace of mind for buyers. EUYBIKE demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction with responsive support for any inquiries or issues that may arise.